In today's video, I'm going to teach you Lovable how to export download Lovable AI project. Easy. We'll cover two straightforward ways to get your code off Lovable: downloading specific files right from the code view and grabbing the entire project as a zip through your connected repository. Start on your Lovable dashboard and open the project or website you want to export. This brings you into the project workspace. For the first method, look for the three-dot menu near your project controls. Open that menu and choose Code to launch the built-in code editor. Here you'll see a file tree on the left, your selected file in the main pane, and controls in the top right. Browse to the file you need. When it's open, use the download file option in the upper right to save just that file to your computer. If you'd rather not download, you can also select the code in the editor and copy it manually. A quick tip: keep the original folder structure and file names when saving locally so your imports and references continue to work. If you're grabbing styles, images, or components, make sure to pull any related files they depend on. When you're done with single files, close the editor to return to the project view. For the second method, you'll export the whole project as a zip. In the top right of the project page, click the Git platform icon to open the repository connected to this project, then select your repository. This takes you to the repository page where the full project lives. From here, click the Code button and choose Download Zip. Your browser will start downloading a compressed archive of the entire project, including folders, assets, and configuration files. Once the download completes, you can extract the zip on your computer and open the project in your preferred editor. This method is great when you need everything at once or you're handing the code off to a teammate. If you don't see your repository option, make sure your Lovable project is linked to your account and you have access to that repo. That's it. You now know how to download individual files directly from the Lovable code view and how to export the complete project via your repository's zip download. Use the first method for quick grabs and the second when you want a full snapshot. Congratulations and happy building.